for today's video, we're gonna learn about how to convert decimals to fraction and fractions to decimals. So let's do example simultaneously. So for example, we have the decimal 0.25, 0.5, and 0.75. So these are the most common decimal we use in our money. Okay, let's convert it to fraction. So what we're gonna do is to identify the highest place value of the decimal number. So in this case, we have tenths and hundreds. So the highest is hundreds. So therefore, we're gonna write it like 25 over 100, right? Because it's in hundreds place value. Then reduce to lowest term. The common factor is 25. So 25 divided by 25 is 1. 100 divided by 25 is 4. So the final answer is 1/4. So therefore, 0.25 is equivalent to 1/4. Now let's try 0.5. So with this number, it is in tenths place value. So which means it is equivalent to 5 over 10. Okay. Then reduce the lowest term divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So the final answer is 1/2. So therefore, 0.5 is also equivalent to 1/2. Then next, we have 0.75, which is in hundreds place value. So 75 over 100. Then reduce the lowest term also. So this is 3 over 4. Alright? Now let's try converting this to decimal. So 1 over 4 is also equivalent to 1 divided by 4, right? So let's try the long division method. So we have 1 divided by 4. Now, since we cannot divide directly 1 to 4, let's try adding decimal. So if the decimal point is here, we have to align it to the final answer. 10 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Minus, then we still have 2. Additional 0, bring down. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So we arrive at the answer 0.25, which is the same with what we have initially. Let's try 1/2. 1, 2. So let's add 0. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So therefore, 1/2 is equivalent to 0.5. Last, we have 3/4. So we have 4, 3, 4. Then add decimal point. Add 0. 30 divided by 4 is 7. 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. Add additional 0. Bring down 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So we arrive at the final answer 0.75. Now it justifies everything. I hope you learn a lesson for today's conversion.